Lost your CSCS card? What do I do if I've lost my card? Don't worry. There is a solution online. It's a good idea to write down the registration number on the front of your card. If you lose your card, you can quote this or your national insurance number to easily replace the card. Simply call the telephone number in question 6 to request a new card. Replacement cards cost £36. How to renew my card? If you haven't yet taken your SIP Health, Safety and Environment test again ready for renewal, you'll need to do so. This test will cost £19.50 if you are looking to renew CSCS card. If you are applying for your first CSCS card, the test will cost £21. After completing the SIP test, you'll need to pay for the renewal fee of £36. This should go directly to the CSCS and you can contact them via email or telephone. Want to know more? Click the link in the description below. College of Contract Management. Visit https://www.beckham.co.uk